What's up guys, iAppleTuber here, and today's video I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to get FIFA mobile beta for free. So there's a beta on FIFA mobile right now that you guys can go ahead and try until September 11th I think, and then it's going to be the actual game releasing very soon. So until September 11th you can actually use this method to try the beta for free on your iOS devices. So let's get started. Very simple. You want to go to your app store first of all. Once you go to your app store, you want to search for Test Flight. So Test Flight is the app which allows you to test beta games. So Test Flight, search it up, and this is the app you want to try. So it's, as you can see, it says Test Flight Beta Testing Made Simple. So you want to download that app as I mentioned. Download this app. It's free and it will not even take you 5 seconds to download it. It's very quick. Once you have that app, I want you guys to go to description and click on the first link. Once you click on the first link, open it in Safari. Once you open it, this will be the link. As you can see, it says step 2, join the beta. So now you want to click on start testing. So click on it. Once you click on it, click on allow, click on continue, and this should be the prompt. As you can see, this is the one. FIFA football beta. It's FIFA mobile. Click on install. Once you click on install, it's also free. As I mentioned, the beta goes on till September 11th. So you want to make sure to download it by September 11th so you can enjoy it by then. And as you can see right there, it's done. It should not even take you a lot of time. The app downloads very quickly. Then click on done. And you can see FIFA football beta is there. And there you can see the app is on your phone as well. Now let's go ahead and open the app and show you guys that it's actually the beta of the latest FIFA mobile. Let's click on it. And there you see, it's the latest FIFA mobile beta. So give it a few seconds. The loading could take a bit of time since you're loading the game for first time. But once that is done, we can start getting into the menus and start playing the game. So give it around like 2 to 3 minutes. I'll be right back with you once this is done loading. Alright, as you can see, I've gone ahead and wait for it to load now. Let me click on guest for now, as that's the only method we can do for the beta, as you can only play as guest for now. Wait for it to load and then enter any name. Let me go ahead and do that. Once you enter the name, as you can see right there, here we are. It says, welcome to the FIFA beta for the upcoming season of FIFA mobile. Click on continue. Continue and continue. So if you have any bugs, any feedback, make sure to let them know. So click on the versus battle, first one, click on continue, first training, and play. There we go. Let me just show you that it's working and then we can end the video. So just give it a few seconds for it to load the game resources, and the gameplay should be up very soon. And there it is. As you can see, it's telling me how to do it. There you go. It's simple. I've not played FIFA Mobile, the last version. I've played the one in 2018. I've not played the one in 2019, but I'm definitely going to make sure to try this. So let me just curve the ball. There you guys can see, very simple. I'm going to actually get this over with. So it's a bit hard for me to score like this, but I'm trying my best. And once again, you pass it, and then you try to curve it. You can go ahead and play the game until September 11th, as I mentioned, and make sure to have any feedbacks, leave them for the FIFA mobile developers to try out and fix it. But yeah guys, that was today's video. A very simple video on how to get FIFA beta mobile for free. Make sure to enjoy it, and also please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. And that's it. Have a great day. iAppleTuber here, signing off.